Yeah, he's doing all right. This is a special one that swapped the sunshine at home to the rain in Portugal. Anyway, I found a video that people seem to enjoy a few years ago, so guess the year. Here it is. Got a log jam in the chipper there, stuck in the back. So I've got a ratchet strap round it, fastens to the grab. I'm going to reverse the roller now, pull with the grab, and hopefully it should pop out. Oh, snap the strap. Got a chain on it now, hopefully that's the log crunching. Here we go. Mixed fleet today on the drainage job. We've got the Hyundai, Nick's JCB and a fence. So he's got it out. One strap, chainsaw later. It's motorhome service day, so Andrew's going to service all three of them. And then Sam is backing the muck spreader up to the workshop. He's going to put it on his little tractor so we can take a picture and get the gearbox off the back. Hopefully the new gearbox is arriving sometime soon. There he goes. Big spreader or small tractor? Don't know where he's heading. Looks like the Merlot. Oh. There he goes. I don't know whether you can see in his mirror just because it's quite narrow. Yeah, he's doing all right. To take that motor off there and then pull the gearbox off the shaft, hopefully quite easily. Get it near the workshop so we're not running up and down with tools all day. The log is obviously out the chipper. I'm a bit on my head. And I'm going to go over to Scunthorpe to see how they're going on there, loading all the aid up, and have a quick look around Mechmar or MacArthur Agriculture. Hopefully they've got something exciting to look at, some dryers and stuff like that. Overnight oats, yes or no?
Yes. Healthy.
We're just following a wagon now to MacArthur. Where are we now? 1,600 yards away, so we wonder if this is the empty wagon that they're going to fill with aid. There we go. Gonna have a look at them grain dryers in a minute. So wagon there loaded. Toys. New clothes. Ooh, look at this grain dryer. Coastal grains. On super singles as well. Some beast in it. Size of that motor. It's like a 30 ton of that. Loads of them. On the wagon there. That's stainless steel. Oh no, it's painted silver. Fully galvanised. Like some trade-ins. Loads of them. That's fully galvanised as well by the fuel tank. This is the wagon that's going to be loaded up now. Very efficient. Sleeping bags, sleeping bags, sleeping bags. Nappies round the corner. Toiletries. Water. Drinks. Crutches. Nappies. Wipes. Thermals. So now I'm going to fit it all on that wagon now. Don't load it to the back because it's a wagon they use for moving tyres. It's got boards on the inside, so they're going to use the pump truck to wheel it all to the front. Stack it high, sell it cheap.
That's it.
I didn't think you'd do that then, I thought it was going to fit. Something tells me this isn't going to fit on the wagon, all of it. Day job going on there, put the dryer back together. I'm building one up. To move big dryers, you've got to have low loaders. Look how low that is. It's only like 4 inches high. These roll the augers as well off the dryers. And then there's this in the back corner. These are quite nifty. It's is it Farnell or Farrell? Turbo dam dryer, they used to call them as well. Drawbar on the front, put your PTO on. Huge fan, burner on the top, and then inside it has a false floor. It blows hot air through the thing, and then you take it in the shed and you tip it out. And then on the top it's got stirrers, which I don't know whether I can get up to see. But it's got little augers all the way along it that go backwards and forwards, turning it. This is a special one that tips sideways, and we can only think it's because otherwise it'd be too high to tip in a low shed. So these stirrers go up and down the product, so wood chip, grain, whichever you put in it, and then there's the metal floor there, blows the hot air out and it evaporates out the top. You just load it with a telehandler and then tip it like it says, tip this one to the side. And there's the big fan underneath me now for the burner. So simple but effective. 6-ton Merlot as well. You had another one before that, didn't you?
Yeah, exactly the same.
Was it? Frame leveling. Big hook on it. All the different flights for augers, corkscrews. Just another 34 bags to fit in.
Flasks.
Sleeping bags, flasks and tourniquets. And is that where it's heading to?
Yep. Grain, beans, oil seeds.
So,
That's the oil.
what would you roast oilseed for? It's a roaster. Would it not go on fire? What's in here?
Fluidised bed, so it's all lovely. And then this is our kind of processing lab. The lab machines for screen cleaner, compact dehuller, impact dehuller, and concentrator. So you've got everything you need to dehull sunflower seeds and
Wow. I expected it to be fish, the local delicacy. That's mega.
straight out of Trent.
So who made the puller, Rob or Jake?
My idea, Rob's engineering.
Ooh, it's broken already. Rob's got his safety glasses on. Oh, it's twisted. It's twisted.
It's because that nib, isn't it? Some pressure on that.
Yeah, I can see it.
How many ton is that?
A lot.
30 ton. Hope it's not going to fly out in it, the van. Better the seals out the gearbox at least.
You spray that, please.
I don't think it's flammable, I think it's the aerosol's flammable, but we'll try it. Quick. Feel that. Those are sweet. Proper agri spec now.
Is it does take for you?
If you hit it there now, it'll fall. Lower down, it's got leverage. Yeah, yeah. Go on, that's it. That's the clip off. People pay for that, don't they? Is it a rage room? You try that on the back of the casing. Bearing puller, take 3. Well, the cog's going at least. If we can get the cog off though, we can cut the collar. It's just moved to touch the collar, hasn't it? Quickly do the birthday bumper. I won't read them all out because there's a lot, but if your name is on there, happy birthday. And if your name's not, and it's your birthday, happy birthday. After clearing the log jam, they got the chipper up and running and they've smashed a good chunk of the pile, so Dave's been on that today. Which was his first time on the digger doing the chipping, and he's first smashed it. This gearbox has been an absolute pig. There's the broken bits of bearing puller that we made and hydraulic press that didn't work. We've had to smash it to bits to now start cutting away at the sprocket to get it off the shaft. We did do some Googling. We found on the farming forum someone had the same problem and they had to smash it and hack it off with a gas axe or whatever to sort it out. Anyway, the new gearbox is here. Hopefully we will get that on in the morning once we finish cutting that, but everyone had enough by today. So, job for tomorrow morning. That's about it for today. Thanks to everyone that's been watching. Thanks to John for showing us around. And if you wanted a grain dryer, they're the people to speak to, or a grain set up. Amazing what they've done. I think that was the 9th wagon that they were loading today. We've got 3 in the shed here, so we're small fry to them. But there's been plenty of other stuff going on. Don't forget, if you're offering any help or any support, please go onto the forum page that we've set up and use that, and then it keeps everyone all in the loop together, so it's not coming through me or John that are trying to do our own stuff at the same time, because we got so many phone calls on that first week. It was just overwhelming. So like I say, that's it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed that then. It was obviously, well, yeah, in fact you can guess the year. Anyway, on to the birthdays before we go anywhere.
Hi everybody, today's birthdays we've got Edie and Ada, and they're twins, and they're 3 today.
From Simply Beautiful Honey.
Harry Smith, you're 15, and it says at Wakefield. Whether you're in Wakefield, who knows. Happy birthday, 40th today for Tobes, whoever Tobes is.
Happy 12th birthday, Isaac Bailey.
And Nick Dent, thanks very much for the message to keep up the good work. Very good work out here. We're in Portugal. It's raining, so we're standing behind a shed because it's stopping the wind.
And if you listen quietly, you can hear Tony all knocking to get out.
Yeah, you can. Happy birthday, Tony.
Happy birthday, Tony. That's all for today. Back in Liverpool tomorrow on the farm. So thanks for watching. See you then. Bye.
See you soon.